Keeping our bread soft and moist is one of the biggest problems we have with gluten-free baked goods, especially if they're homemade. Just look at how this pulls away from the other bun and look how soft that is. You can freeze this bread and let it thaw in the fridge or bench top and use as you need. There's butter in the bread, so it will be firm and chewy, but if you prefer a softer, lighter mouthfeel, you can microwave to soften it, but that's not all. Yeah, I know how that sounds. There's nothing shady about this bread. Same ingredients, different shape. You can microwave it, get it nice and soft, or you can toast it. You can use this bread for sandwiches and burgers, and if that's not enough reason why this is the ants pants in recipes, this recipe only has 8 to 10 ingredients. Most other recipes call for 13 to 22, but enough of that, let's do some cooking. To some gluten-free bread flour, we'll add yeast, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, we'll pour some melted butter into an egg and mix. We're going to add the butter and egg mixture to the flour and pour in our lukewarm milk. This is where most other recipes would add a water and flour roux cooked on the stove, which is designed to help the bread stay moist and fresh. It's an extra step, reason number 153 why this bread is so good that we're not going to be using, thus saving time, and even though we're not using the roux, this bread is still soft and slightly chewy and not crumbly even after 2 days, provided it's been refrigerated. Anyway, if we're not eating our bread in 2 days, I'm going to have to ask you, my friends, why are we not eating the bread? It really is too good to waste. Trust me on that one. The kneading should only take about a minute, and then all you're going to do is cover that and sit it in a draft-free place for about an hour and a half. And when it's doubled in size, we're going to work on it just a little bit more. Now, I'm usually sketchy about knocking out the air from the gluten-free dough, but this will rise again after we've shaped the balls. After another little knead, we're going to divide the dough into 5 balls. You could make 4 jumbo buns or 6 smaller ones, but 5 will give us just a nice medium-sized bun. We're going to knead the balls in this way to get a bit of surface tension going for a nice smooth surface, which is usually lacking in gluten-free baked bread. I don't know about you, but I really love it when I can produce a baked product that has similar qualities to the wheat-filled counterpart. It's kind of really satisfying, don't you think? I'd love to know how you feel, so leave a little comment down below. I'm curious to know. So what we're going to do is cover those up and set them aside to rise for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to glaze with egg wash now, or if you want to, you could skip this step. And then we're going to put them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius fan forced, middle shelf for in about 20 to 30 minutes. If you're still watching, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. I'm Hilda, and this is my gluten-free plate. And for my beautiful stragglers who love to watch till the very, very end, go check out my shorts, see how I make this beautiful cream bun. I promise you there is no crazy gym music, and the edits are really easy on the eyes. Bye for now.